Hello, this is a presentation of our group's results on the Robotics Project Work course at Tampere University. The topic of our project was cooperative assembly of hybrid car battery package. Let's start with a quick overview of the topic. At the right hand side, you can see a picture of the battery package that is the assembly target. There were two key aspects on this project. One being cooperation between a human being and a robot, and the other one being multi-modal interaction. The multi-modal here refers to the usage of both visual and auditory modalities in interaction between the user and the robot. At the start of the project, we listed the features we wanted the final system to have. These are visual detection of all the assembly parts and relevant tools, detection of voice comments from the user, keeping track of the state of the process at all times, concluding if the task at hand is completed successfully using either object detection or user verification, guiding the user through the process using speech generation, and finally picking up tools and handing them over to the user when needed. Here's a picture of the workspace setup. Here's the assembly station where the user operates. Here's the robot arm that hands over the tools when needed. We are using two cameras, one attached to the robotic arm and one pointing at the user at the assembly station at all times. Here you can see the views from both of the cameras. The end effector camera is responsible for detecting the tools on the table. The static camera is responsible for detecting the large parts of the battery package. Here you can see a diagram representing the system architecture. The system consists of separate modules, each responsible for separate features in the system. As you can see, there's separate modules for object detection, speech interface, and robot movement control, to name a few. Next, you are going to see two videos of the system in action. The first one demonstrates the system's ability to detect if a given task is performed correctly.
You have finished one task. Next, you need to place the battery in the plate. You don't need special tools for this task.
Done.
The battery is installed incorrectly. Turn the battery 180 degrees on the plate to correct the position.
Done.
Visual inspection succeeded.
The second video demonstrates the automatic tool handover.
Next, you need to screw down the nut holding the bracket. You need a ratchet, a nut of size 13 mm, and a socket of size 13 mm to complete the task. Would you like me to hand over the tools?
Yes.
Giving the ratchet. Give action succeeded. Giving the nut. Give action succeeded. Giving the socket. Give action succeeded.
Okay, that was the presentation. Thank you for listening.